Welcome to another video. So today we're doing how to make audio waveform for your podcast, for your videos, or for your music if you're recording music. So basically this waveform effect has been used in one of Logic's new single with Marshmello called Everyday. And basically what he uses waveform for his sound over the cover for his single. So this is what we're going to do today. Click on new comp and go 1920 by 1080 pixels with 30 frame rate and with background color of 6 ones here. You can also go with white, depends on what color you prefer. Right now what you need to do is go file and go import file, and right now find your music, find your anything that is audio, and right now we're going to drop it here. I'm using Bazani Fed Up. He's really good rapper, freelance rapper, so yeah, good to know. And right now when you have this here, go right click in this empty square here, new, and go on solid. Right now you can also pick up whether you want white or black. I will go with grayish here. Click OK. Okay, so right now we have that, and right now what we need to do is go to the effect and go to the generate, and we'll generate audio spectrum. You can also go with audio waveform, but this is more of a heartbeat effect, so it's not really audio spectrum. So let's go to audio spectrum. So right now we have audio spectrum right here, and right now what we need to do is go to, yeah, we can also what we can do is go here and go to Bazani Fed Up, and right now you apply the effect on MP3 that we have right here. So right now what we need to do is actually change the colors to white. I will be using white on the gray just because it's better. And right now what we need to do is softness. We will increase softness on 5%, and we'll go to thickness about, let's say 12. We'll go 12 thickness, and we'll go maximum height 30K, and we'll go end frequency. We can also increase about 7K, maybe 10K, just to give that increase in height and in frequency. And right now what we need to do is actually, I think that's it. You can also play around with it. As you can see right here, it's going, and basically this is how you can apply this effect on it. You can do much more with this effect, not just this, and you can play around with frequency bands. How much frequency bands do you want to have? And yeah, basically that's about it, guys, for this video. I would like to thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.